Yeah, no. Oh man, is that really today? Oh my gosh, I thought it was, no, I'm gonna have to miss the meeting. I thought it was tomorrow. I'm sorry. I'll have to catch you sometime later. Are you struggling to keep up with all of the phone calls, bills, and everything else in your personal life too? Oh, come on! Shop owners struggle with these things every single day, and it's just because they lack the tools to manage their business and their lives. You know, this difficult journey doesn't have to be something you face alone. In fact, the Institute is hosting a workshop with the NAPA BDG on how to manage yourself better and give you the tools necessary to not only survive, but thrive as a business owner. This workshop is going to be on December 9th in Denver. Click the link to register today and take control of your life. Yeah, no, I'm just wrapping up. Yes, I'm wrapping up early. I'll be on time, I promise. I'll see you guys there.